here we have our garage install with our nice little drain valve. Is it worth 180 bucks? I mean, yeah, it is cheap, and it does come with almost everything you need to hook it. It doesn't come with the female fitting itself. It only comes with the block. And these are like another, what were they like? Somewhere between 12 and 20 bucks a piece. I'd have to look at the receipt. But anyways, you buy 3 of them, that's minimum $30 after tax. It's like, and then you got to buy the filter regulator and the flex hose to go from the compressor to the filter regulator. I'm just rambling. Anyways, and they give you these nice little clips to put along to snap the pipe in to hold it in place. That's fine. Those weren't too bad. This reamer tool, fortunately, I wasn't using that part of the reamer tool because that broke the second I took it out of the box just from crappy plastic. But you cut your pipe, you put the tool in, you ream it, and then you can slide it in your fitting and tighten this part down, and that seals it up. So that's not too bad. Clean install, no. Let's look at how this pipe is to bend. This is after a lot of practice bending this pipe. So that's about a good radius, 90-degree bend. That's about what you're going to get out of it. And if you keep bending it, well, that actually is working a lot better than any of the bends I tried to do while I was installing it. But I did kink a few and then had to redo that section because it had a nice kink in it. That's actually a good bend. I wish all of my bends were clean in my install. Let's go see what's in the garage. You can see you got to do these long radius bends and everything, and it's just not super clean. I like, you know, straight lines, sharp 90s, stuff like that. I don't know why I expected I could get better bends out of this pipe, but I can't, so here we are. But yeah, that's what the install looks like. You can see the radius bends and kind of what install you can expect if your skill level is lowly like mine and you're not good at bending the aluminum tubing and unrolling 100 feet of aluminum tubing coil into somewhat of a straight line, which takes like 2 hours. It's ridiculous. So, thinking about getting it. Maybe reconsider. Maybe it's got everything you need. Make that decision for yourself. I wouldn't buy it twice, so there's that.